Yes, today I will show you how to create a whiteboard animation from your video. The first, you need to have a video. Yes, I have a video, but make sure your video have an extension FLV file property. My video doesn't have an extension SLV file, so I need to convert it to SLV file. Yes, now let's convert it together. Yes, this one convert to SLV format. Yes, converts. Yes, complete. Yes, now my video are extension FLV file. So open your Adobe animation and choose choose standard. Yes, and drop your video file into the stage. Import video. This one, browse your video file. This one I have converted to FLV file. Yes. Next. Yes, I remove the audio. Next. Finish. Yes, this one. Now I have a video bird flying, but I would like to make it as a whiteboard from my drawing. So you need to right click and property. Yes, guys, and lock the layer. Okay, and create the new layer. Yes, and select the brush tool. Yes, brush tool and property 2. I set to 2. Yes, now let's draw your video image one by one frame. Yes, 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 one by one frame. Yes, yes, you can draw. Yes, and press S1 key on keyboard to make a layer. Yes, this one. Press S1 one more. Yes, yes. In the keyframe, the 1, 2, 3, it have the same, so you need to copy and paste. Proceed V, and this one process V. Yes, and key number 4 and press as a when. Yes, 1, 2, 3. This one is the same keyframe, so you need to draw one more. if you have a pen saw tool, you can drawing quickly. Yes. Yes. To see this way, this way, and hide your video file. Yes, you will see something change. Right? Yes, click on this one. Yes. Yes. And press enter to review your file. Yes, show your file and press S7 to add more frame, 2, 3, yes, and draw it again. You will see something change. C and press Ctrl 6V, Ctrl 6V to pass the frame, yes, and press enter to review. Hide your video and press enter to review. Right? Yes. Yes, one more. Press S7. Yes, S7 and draw one more. Yes. Just make an example and draw quickly so it's not smooth. If you do by yourself, please make sure you have draw it smoothly according to your video. Yes. 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 Ctrl C, Ctrl 6V, Ctrl 6V. press enter, hide your video and press enter to review your file. Yes, right? Yes. Yes. Now I do only this. If you have a video long or another activity beside the bird flying, you can draw one by one like I show you in the front. Yes, for the long video activity, you in your plus control and test animate. Yes, SWS. Yes. Yes, SWS. Now it's the animate. And you can press enter. Yes. To make a loops animation. Yes. If you want to make it longer, you can copy. You can select all frame and press Alt. Yes. And copy to the one. Alt. Press Alt. Yes. Now you with your animation will longer. Yes, thank you for watching.